What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, we're going to be making some Philly cheeseburgers. That's right, we taking a trip to Philly, baby. So, we got to go. We got some miles to drive now. Let's fly. That's right, baby. The Philly cheeseburger. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, cheeseburger? I thought it was Philly cheesesteak. Well, it is. That is. But this is a Philly cheeseburger. It's a cheeseburger in the Philly style. I feel like we're in the city of brotherly love and stuff. So, first thing that you got to do, get your vegetables. We're going to start with the vegetables today. I'm going to show you why. You want to go ahead and get a green pepper. And traditionally with the Philly cheesesteak, you use a white onion. Me, I had to get that yellow because it's got that good flavor. So, go ahead and cut your vegetables up, pretty good sized strips. And I want you to get a pan, get it hot to trot, and put some oil in there. That vegetable oil. Not that black gold Texas tea there, Jake Clampett. So, go ahead and get your oil in there, and we are going to saute just for a moment, not too long, because, you know, you want that thing to get a good caramelization on it, a good flavor, but I really don't want it all greasy. I kind of want still a little crunch in it. So we're going to cook it till it's translucent like Obi-Wan Kenobi in that movie. Now, once you get that done, go ahead and pull those out, and we'll start on our burgers. Today, just some regular old cheapo ground beef. I'll tell you what, man, I thought I had to mortgage my car last time I went to the store. It's getting wild out there, boy. So, recipes like this always gonna help you out because this is old cheapo. It looks grandiose, but we can do it cheapy. Now, what you gotta do is go ahead and get you some ground beef. Like I said, just a cheap step today. We're gonna roll it up in a ball and we're gonna pat out our patty. But you're saying to yourself, like, oh, don't they already make like pre-made patties at the store you can get? Well, they do, but they're a little more expensive. So, got to go with the OG today. Now, go ahead and put those in your pan. Make sure you drain out most of that oil that you was using for the vegetables because we don't want to burn the butter, baby. So, put your burgers in there. And what are we going to do? What we do every time. Salt and pepper, just for flavor. Good stuff, baby. Yeah. So, put a little salt on there. Then a little black pepper too. Now, what I want you to do is flip it over. And do the same thing on the other side. Now, we're going to give those about 15 minutes or so. Total flipping, you know. And they're going to be done when they get that good color, that good flavor. So, you can go ahead and get you some cheese. Today, just some white cheese. Doesn't matter what kind of white cheese, just as long as it's the white cheese. And that's just more for the looks. So, I got some white American today. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on top of that thing there. So, put it on top of there. Turn your heat down because we don't want to burn that shit. So, get your cheese on top. And once the cheese gets melted, we're going to take it out. And now we're ready to put the damn thing together. Aren't we, buddy boy? I think we is. So, go ahead and get your bun. And today, there again, just some regular old cheapo buns. I mean, really, you could go ahead and get some flour and some water and make your own dough and make a little brioche or something like that. But you know me, and you know what I'm going to say. I got time for that shit. So, the old cheapy today. Open it up. Put your burger down. Now, go ahead and take some of that vegetable mixture. Put it on top of there. And really, you know, you're saying, like, oh, what kind of sauce you using today? Because I know you like to get saucy. Well, I'm not even going to put sauce on this. I think it's fine just the way it is. You can throw a little bit of sauce on there if you want to do, but me, I think it's good to go. And I think we're good to go for a big old sight and a big old beautiful bite of this Philly cheese burger tonight, boy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Philly cheeseburger is done. And I'm having that first bite for Big Daddy right here. So, let's have that, shall we? One. Wonderful. That's a delicious burger, man. I got to tell you, I'm going to tell you like old boy in Pulp Fiction said, that is a tasty burger. So, It's got the Philly flavor. You got your vegetables. You got your white cheese. But that burger, man, I got to tell you, I'm glad that I didn't get the pre-made and then I made it myself, because that's just an old home burger right there. That's a house burger. And it's got that flavor. So I want to thank all of you for bringing your flavor on over to Savor on another episode of Cooking with Black Oil. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you will pardon me, I think I'm going back to Philly, boy. And don't expect me back anytime soon, I got to tell you. Oh,